From February 16th to 19th, 2018, the Fondation de la Haute Horlogerie and the Miami Design District Associates paired up to premiere Watches and Wonders Miami. The 4-day event saw 21 fine watchmaking brands showcasing novelties and iconic products. The show had an immersive environment to help visitors appreciate watchmaking culture.
So we have conceived this event like a journey in the world of fine watchmaking. So we propose different activities, educational activities for people.
The event included a series of lectures where watch experts explained aspects of fine watchmaking, like the development of chronographs and pilot's watches, watch investments, and collection. At the watchmaking workshop, participants had a close look at the structure of a movement and learned how gears, springs, and escapements work. They could also reassemble a movement under expert guidance.
We have virtual reality experiences just to immerse you in the different experience. We brought also an exhibition called Telling Time, which presents a different way of reading time, and especially some artworks from contemporary artists. You can compare the watches with a new way of measuring time.
The event coincided with the Miami Design District Concours on February 17th. More than 100 iconic vehicles, including Ferraris and Lamborghinis, helped create a vintage but dynamic atmosphere. Timepieces developed by watch companies working with automobile brands were also on show. Fine wristwatches represent fine lifestyles. They are closely related to art and have become part of mankind's culture.
So, the Fondation de la Haute Horlogerie, the main mission of our foundation is to raise awareness about the culture and know-how about fine watchmaking. So our mission is really to organize this kind of event to link directly with the end customers and clients, just to bring them in the journey for fine watchmaking.